Hello everyone, my name is Gage Jones and I go to Gull Lake Community Schools and I am currently enrolled in a CSSE class, which is Computer Science Software Engineering. Today we're working at Sphero Bolt and we're using code instead of blocks. As you can see in here is GitHub Desktop with what we changed, and over here if we pull this up we can see that it will say start right here, and then it will next wait 1 second, and then on this variable over here it will say start across the LEDs. And when we watch that start, it will do it, it'll push itself over there and it will say start. And now that it has said start, it will turn the LEDs red, because when we do this we'll go back to pre-competition and we can see right here is all of the code. And when we check it out and we go over here, you can see now it'll set the main LED to red, and after a second and when we play we can see that it does turn it red, and now it's going to go forward and turn 90 degrees, as you can see right here. And when we check that out, it now has this code, which is awaiting a delay for 1 second before it moves. It will move at the speed of 60, and it will wait 2 seconds of calling a constant 60, and then it'll set speed to 0, which is just stopped, and then it will wait 1 second. As you can see right here, it will turn 90 degrees at the speed of 60. So what happens is this is time, this is speed, and this is how many degrees you want it to turn. And then we're going to set speed after that 1 second delay to 30, and then it'll wait delay 1 second, and then it'll stop again. And as you can see over here, it will go forward, stop, turn, and go, and it'll stop right there. And now we're going to go to where it is going to do a monkey sound, but I can't really show that because on Sphero EDU you need to be connected to the Bolt, and I'm not currently connected to it, so you can't hear it, but I assure you it will say it. And if we do commit it out, we just check out the commit, we go over here. As you can see, it will await a delay of 1 second, and then it will make the sound of a monkey, which is all this code right here. And if I had it loaded up, it would make the sound of a monkey, and then it would continue to the next code, which is figure 8. So figure 8 is a lot of code compared to everything else. As you can see, it has a lot of roll distances and like the minimum speed and all this, but what it does is it's going to make an 8, and you can see like right here it says it's going to turn 316 degrees, set the main LED, and then it'll just keep rolling. And as you can see, these are changing. It's because its heading is changing. Like this is the heading of it, so this is going at a 316 degree angle compared to where 0 degrees would be north, for example. So this would be just more west, like northwest. So imagine that as that, and then like this would be just straight north, but this doesn't know like where north is and stuff. It's just where you aim the bolt. So, but this is where in it turns. As you see, it is always changing to make that 8. And then this is a constant speed and how long it waits. And then it'll come to a stop, and then it'll come down here, get velocity, and it'll just like finish everything else off. And as you can see, when we play it, it'll change the LEDs to blue right now. And then it's going to do an 8. As you can see, it does the first half of the 8, and then this is the second half of the 8. And Now it's going to come to a stop, which we will now go to GitHub Desktop for the last time. And as you can see, for the adding star, we just added this code. And as you can see here, also, you can see the star with all of this. This changes the LEDs to this blue color. It will turn, it'll go forward, come to a stop, turn, go forward, stop, turn, come forward, stop, and does that over until right here, where it has some more code, like where the minimum speed and extra things for up here, and it'll get its location, velocity, and it'll wait. And then it'll end the program right here. And as you can see, it's going to make the star. That's part of the star. It'll come back. Star. It's kind of hard to see what it's doing, but because of like how it really works, and that's all my code. And if we go to GitHub, which is right here, you can see that it's all on GitHub. So if you wanted that, it'll be on my website. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.